everybody, it's Ella,
Jackson,
Emma, Cameron here, and we'll be doing a
Nerf gun war. And so, this is how we're going to work. So, there is a camera set up in every room in the house. And so, we're going to have their phone. We're going to each of our phones, and then we're going to press, cameras, phones, whatever. And then we're going to say 3, 2, 1, play, and everybody's going to play. And
we
play.
don't have any bases. And
We don't have any bases. And the rules?
we have a big pile of bullets right here, and after you reload your gun, then you have to sit there for 1 minute.
But you can get sniped.
Yeah, so you can die right there too.
Yeah, but still. So the rule is what you want to do is you want to shoot everybody with an accurate shot. Is what you're trying. What am I trying to say?
Okay, guys, we'll be back. Bye.
Hey guys, so that is the Nerf gun war, and the winner was Jackson. Ugh, right there. And then the first person to get out was Cameron. The second person to get out was Ella. Third person to get out was me, and you'll see it you probably saw it in the fourth, camera 4. I was over here getting my bullets, and then he just shot me because my gun was not working, but that is not the point. And so then Jackson won, so that was the video, and I hope you guys like it. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and goodbye.